big cats, are they out there? UK big cats have been reported since 1970s. Sadly, most photos we see are, to be blunt, rubbish. Could be anything. So I thought I would show some evidence of actual big cats that have been roaming free in the UK.
In 1980, a female puma was caught in Scotland. She was later housed in a zoo until she died in 1985. David Carter went on to report he did release 2 pumas in Kenwich. Detective John Cathcart, who was investigating the case, said the sightings of a puma did not end with the capture of the female puma.
In 1987, a large cat was shot dead in the Isle of Wight. A farmer in 1993 shot and killed an European lynx. A jungle cat was found dead on the side of the road. Later was stuffed and put on display. Another jungle cat was shot by a farmer. May 2001, a female European lynx was caught in a garden in London. October 2017, a European lynx escaped from a Welsh zoo. Sadly, she was shot 2 weeks later, even though no real evidence of this I could find. May 2020, a big cat was sighted in a garden in London. Thought to me, a Savannah police was called and photos was taken.
Amazingly, despite the Dangerous Wild Animals Act, there's evidence that people are still keeping big cats illegally and releasing them. The evidence came in a bizarre telephone call to Paynton Police Station at 5 o'clock one Sunday morning.
Hello, control room, Sergeant Chapman.
The duty controller was astonished when a man came on claiming to have released a puma on the outskirts of Devon's leading resort.
What it actually is I had a large cat in my custody, yeah?
Large cat?
Yeah, actually it was a puma, yeah?
Yeah.
And I've released the puma.
Yeah.
I've released it into okay, I'm not saying exactly where, but I've released it. Basically, I had it off a friend for a while, and basically I couldn't control it any longer, and I couldn't afford to feed it, so I let it go.
What colour is it?
It's a black one.
What I see. Which area will it be in?
I can't say this because I don't really want you to catch it, because I don't believe that a beautiful beast like it deserves to die.
The police are still looking for the anonymous caller, who they're taking very seriously.
Well, I was driving down this lane and one of the children really shouted really loud and said, Tina, Tina, a tiger. And I saw this very sort of slim but muscly black cat type animal. It looked very silky, short hair. I drove up to Newton Abbot Police Station, and to be honest, I thought he might have thought I was a bit of a nutter, but it just so happened that he said some gentleman had phoned up in that morning or the morning before and said that they'd let one go.